turned into stone. 1,000 years of being alone, but in the dark a spark remains, a mind that breaks through time and chains. From nothing but the dust we stand, with logic drawn by careful hands. No magic here, no gods above, just human will and what we love. Every answer, every try brings us closer to the sky. Rebuild the world piece by piece, from shattered past to future's reach. If all we have is what we know, then watch how far that knowledge goes. Fire sparked from ancient stone, a voice that says you're not alone. Through trial, error, fall and rise, we carve our truth, we redefine. Even when the odds are gone, we keep pushing on and on. Rebuild the world, don't hesitate, turn every loss into a stage. If science is the path we choose, then there's no way we're meant to lose. Not just power, not just might, but curiosity and light. The strength to ask, the will to try, that's how we reach beyond the $10 billion%. We won't stop now.